This is the Rocky BlizzardStalker Pro. This boot features a split suede with 900 denier high abrasion waterproof upper and a durable rubber vamp. This boot has a padded foam collar for extra comfort. This boot will keep you warm with 1200 grams of thin-slit insulation in any climate. This boot also has a removable PU footbed with a TPU heel stabilizer that stays comfortable on long hikes in the snow. BlizzardStalker also has a multi-directional outsole for great traction and stability. If you're looking for a tough and durable boot for colder climates, get the Rocky BlizzardStalker Pro at rockyboots.com.